Venmo business account setup and review. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Venmo app or website. After that, hit sign up. Over here, you'll see the option to create your profile. Then, select whether you are a registered business or a sole proprietor. After that, enter your business name. Then, set how you want the name to display to people. Over here, you can create a business username. After that, talk about your business and describe what you have to offer. Then, select your business category. After that, upload a photo for your business from your library or Facebook. Then, enter your business legal name and tax information like IN or social security number depending on your business type. Over here, choose your registration type. Then continue filling out the remaining business details like address and social links. After that, hit publish to finish setting up your profile. Then go to your business profile and add a cover photo that represents your work. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.